game. It's a rich thing.
Alright, what's up guys? We are back here again with Maria's car. We are actually going to be rolling her fenders. As you can tell, it's completely stock. Look at that. So we're going to roll this, and we'll probably get the front jacked up and actually take the wheels off. The camber kits should come in tomorrow, but we still need to test with the front wheels, see how it pokes. We already got the back ones dialed in, and we're going to roll the fenders now. Alright guys, so I cannot roll the fenders, unfortunately. I did not know that the studs on the Ford gens are real thick. These are too thick, so you can't get them in here. So I have to hollow these out. Probably all of them, because I don't know which one goes where. And then we can roll the fenders. It's going to delay us a little bit, it's fine. So what we're going to do is tighten up everything from the last video, or this video if we're still doing it. And then so I took off the front wheel and I just want to test fit it for now. We're still waiting for the front camera kits, that we could tuck this back in. And then after that, we're dropping these off tomorrow morning, so I'll show you guys that tomorrow. We'll load those up and get those to the tire shop, so that way the tires should get on them. So we're going 215s and 235s in the rear. So for now, we're done. We can't really do nothing else until we get the fender roller situated and the tires. For now, we could like actually buy an intake system for her car, so we might actually just install that today. I got this from Ford Gen Chris, and shout out to him. Instagram's right here. Blur that out. But yeah, we got it right here. We also got the Carb Legal sticker. We gotta find a spot for this, so that way we can get that on there. But yeah, we're gonna install this. I'll show you guys how to install that on here. It's not too bad, but we gotta do a lot of stuff. So let's go ahead and pop the hood and let's get the intake on for now. Alright, first we're gonna do is remove this cover, that cover, and those other covers. And we're going to be working in this general area right here, so let's go ahead and do that. And I got to set up the light. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is remove the air box. We're going to remove part of the sensors, everything, completing all the way to that valve cover. Back there, remove all this. This whole line is going to go away. We're going to lose a little bit of coolant, but other than that, we should be good to go. But yeah, let's keep going. Alright, next we're going to removing this box right here. So looks like it'd be a 10 mil right here. We're removing that. And then not too sure what else is moving. We'll see when we get there. So this, probably some clips we're going to have to remove. And other than that, that should be about it really. So let's get this off and I'll show you guys. Alright, I guess there is one 10 mil between the battery and this. So I have to take off the battery just to do it. So let me go ahead and remove everything. I'm sure that 10 mil, so we're going to take all this off. Alright, so we moved the whole thing, and there it is, that 10 mil. So we're going to take that off and remove this whole system out. Alright, so now that we got the intake box out, we're going to remove this hard line right here, which is going to be some clamps right here. I'm going to remove that, and then down here, there's a clamp right here. And then one clamp right here. So basically we're going to be putting a line here to there, and then we're going to have a thick line for the intake. So watch when I take this out, a little bit of coolant is going to come out. I don't think it's too much to worry about. And then yeah, let's go, keep going. now that we got it off, I don't know if you can see right here, we got the this line is what we got to remove, this bottom line, and then we got to remove this line right here that I already took the clamp off. So I'm gonna skip this step and show you guys once I'm back. Alright, just like that, we got this line out. We're just going to reuse 2 clamps, which is probably just be that one, and then the kit comes with a new hose, and I'll show you guys how I put that on out. Alright, you can see the new line is on, and there's a loose all the way back to the one we just took off, right back. You can see it right back there though. We'll go ahead and tighten this back up. And then I had to loosen this one clip right here just to get the piece out. Yep, let me go ahead and tighten this up, and we'll work on the next step. Alright, so this is how you're going to basically set up the intake. You got your shield, your filter, your actual piping, your hose, and your clamp. And we got this thing right here. So this thing, you're going to bolt onto that hole that we took off, and all you do is spin this till it's tight, and then you lock this. So let me get this on there and show you guys how to do that. Okay, so this is locked in. Now we can kind of maneuver this into place. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and tighten this up right here now before we tighten this up. This is the next thing we gotta do. Just like that. And just a flathead. We want to tighten this up. Then we can go ahead and tighten the bolt back up, which is this one right here. We'll go ahead and tighten that with a 10 mil. Alright, now that's tightened up. And then lastly, we just gotta put the intake line back on. So I'm gonna put this on, and that's gonna go onto that port we just took out. So this will slide under the sensor, and right in there, I just gotta figure out a line for this. So I'm gonna have to reuse probably this clamp right here. Reuse this clamp, or one of them, or reuse one of these clamps. Probably this one I'm gonna reuse and take it off. Never mind, it actually comes with a hose clamp, a new one. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one, and we'll put it on, and I'll show you guys right after. Super simple. Alright guys, so just like that, intake is on. It's fully on. You got it all here. Clamped on back there. Just wipe it down and that's it. We'll go ahead and put everything back, like your connectors, everything that you took off, and then put your battery back on. Last thing you want to do, because of 2 new screws, it's your choice to reuse it. I'm going to see about using the new screws it comes with, but we got to put the map sensor over to the new one. It comes off just like that. Go ahead and put this on the new one, which is right back here. Should have did this before. Let's see, put it on again. So it goes like this, facing down. Gotta make sure we put it same direction. Just like that. And we'll put the screws on. I'm gonna try to use new ones. If not, we'll use old ones. Alright, map sensor is plugged in. Everything's good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and now put everything back in, the battery and all that. Alright guys, just like that. Intake is now on. I just gotta find some random cover for this one thing. But her engine bay is fully done. Intake installed. Keep you guys updated for whatever else we do next.